Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. As you can see here, we have released our newest mailer. This includes all of our events and class schedules up through March of next year, so the next 4 months here. Lots of fun classes, lots of good events coming up, so keep an eye out. You should have gotten yours already. If you haven't, just let us know. We also have it up on our website as well. So we are signing up for classes, so if you see one that you like, you can either come in and stop by, or you can give us a call and we can sign you up over the phone as well. We do have some demos coming up tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow is our new print moda demo, so we're going to be doing a fun project. It's going to be this little tote bag here. We've used the print moda to put all of these adorable pictures on here. You're going to be learning how to make this tote bag, and you can send in your own personalized pictures to make your very own tote bag. So we're doing this tomorrow. We'll have more instructions on that and how to get your photos to us so that we can do this. So if you have more questions, give us a call. We'll also have more information going out a little later. So very excited about that. We are also doing our Notion demo from Claudia on Friday, which is the 8th. So she'll be showing off lots of exciting new notions. We also have lots of goodies and gifty type things coming up. So if you need something to stock your quilty friends' stockings, or for yourself, or just whoever would like something sewing related for Christmas, we've got lots of wonderful little gifty things, some scissor sets, some lovely new books. We've got some adorable new tumblers in that are really cute, that have little sayings on them. We also just received more panel books, which are always fantastic this time of year. Panels make things go a lot quicker, so if you pick out a panel and you need a project to do, we've got 3 new options for you, so that's pretty exciting. We also have a new notion of the week. This week we are doing all of these little snappy stackers, so to keep you organized this holiday season. Also, these are fantastic gifts. So these will be 20% off for the next week, so definitely stop by and take a look at those. And then coming right around the corner here, we are very excited. We decorated for Christmas. So as you can see, we've got our Christmas tree up here, and we have decorated all around our little pagoda here. So it's very cute. They did a lovely job decorating this year. We also have some holiday projects coming up. So we've got this cute little Stumpkin reindeer here. This is a class. It's coming up soon. It's next Thursday. So if you want to sign up to make this adorable little reindeer guy, definitely give us a call and we can sign you up for this class, because look how cute he is. We also have some other more Christmassy related projects. So we've got our Quilt As You Go tree skirt and Bargello tree skirt. So those are some wonderful Christmassy classes as well. And then we are still doing our 20% off kit of the week. This week we are continuing the 'Tis the Season quilt panel here, which will show you the finished product in a minute. But this here is just a 58 by 73 inch panel, and it's super easy to just quilt up and add some binding, maybe do some nice cozy cuddle on the back, and you have a finished quilt. So if you're looking for a really fast project, that is a great option. We also have the 10-minute table runner here. This is another fast, easy project, a fantastic sort of make and give gift. We've got 2 styles here. We've got the cute little hot cocoa version, and we just did this little snowman version here too, which uses the Frosty Merryman's collection. So the border print that goes along with this collection is in here with this adorable little plaid. So another fun little fast holiday project. And as you can see right here, this is the 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly panel. So this is the one that you can just quilt up really easily and then add some binding and you are all set. So fantastic little project there. We also have a couple other great panels here. The Celebrate the Joys of the Season from the Utide Forest collection from Riley Blake is also a large scale panel that would be great to quilt up and bind as well. And then we've got the Golden Christmas quilt here. We only have a couple of these left. I believe there's only 3 remaining. So if you want to get one of these guys, definitely come and get it or give us a call quickly because they are going to be gone soon. Okay, and then heading back this direction, we've got one more cute little Christmassy project to show you, a little kit. If you're more into the wool applique or handwork, this is a great project for you. This here has this beautiful wool with these gorgeous stitches here. It's the Holly Jolly Table Topper. So all of these gorgeous wools, and you've got the instructions there in this kit. We also do just have the pattern available if you want to pick your own wool and sort of play around with the colors. You can definitely just get the pattern by itself, but this has the traditional reds and greens, so that is a fantastic one. And then right here on the end cap, we have a brand new line of fabric. This is Curio from Rifle Paper Company through Cotton and Steel. They do really gorgeous florals and they've added a lovely print that looks like books sort of stacked together. And they have a lovely pop of metallic gold in there as well. We've also got their traditional stamp print, but this time with the florals from the collection. We also have some fantastic canvas as well. So I'm just thinking how lovely these will look in a little book bag or similar project. Got it in the natural background and this gorgeous navy blue. It's quite a large collection, so you have lots to choose from. And we do have some fat quarter bundles here as well. So we're very excited about that line. I think a lot of us have already gotten some to sort of play around with. So you'll definitely have to stop by and take a look at that one. Another fantastic project, if you're looking for a cute little fast project to give away as a gift, is this little serger scarf here, which we do have in kit form. We have it in this gorgeous red check, and we have it in a beautiful blue plaid as well. So fast, little easy project, great if you have a serger to do this flat lock stitch to get all these together. They are woven flannels, so they look gorgeous on both sides and they feel fantastic. So another great gift if you're looking for either to give it as a kit or to make it up and give it as a gift. Either way, really great project. Okay, and right around the corner here, we have gotten some beautiful rayons in. So as you can see, just right here from Figo Fabrics, we've got some gorgeous new rayon. So if you like to do any garment sewing, these would be absolutely beautiful to sew into a really drapey skirt or dress or blouse. And they're so soft and they feel fantastic. So definitely stop by and give these a little pet. We also have some new canvases as well. So we've got some more from Cotton and Steel, just these gorgeous large florals. And then we have one from Moda as well, and this one is a part of the Etchings collection. So some more gorgeous fabrics. And then we'll come down here through our little kids section. And we will go right up to the counter here. So this is a really fun line that we just got in. This one is called Dragonfire. It's from QT Fabrics. So you've got all of these different textured prints, kind of look like dragon scales. You've got some more fiery fabrics. And then these wonderful dragon prints as well. There is a pre-made kit that uses the panels. And you can put it together here with the different blocks, so you get all of the different dragon prints. The pattern is also sold separately if you would like to just get the pattern, because there are a few different colorways of the panels. So you have the smaller block here that has all of the different dragons with this lovely sort of brown rust color. It also comes in a cream in the smaller block. So you've got all of these really cool sort of fantasy dragons. And cream in a large block as well. So you get all of these different 9 blocks. This is the one that is used in the quilt, is this sort of medium-sized block. We also have the medium block with a blue background as well. So if you want to use part of the background and you like that blue, this one would be perfect. So that one's great. And then you have the large panel, which is a full-scale panel, and it's this really amazing dragon. It has wings all outstretched there and got the mountains in the background. So this one is very cool and would be a wonderful sort of focal point if you want to do this as the sort of centerpiece and then do some other borders or blocks around the outside. So very cool print. These ones are fantastic. So definitely stop by and see these as well. We've got them all rolled up here so that you can see. We'll have them right next to them so you can choose the ones you want and add some of this wonderful fabric to go around the quilt as well. So, okay. Just a few reminders before we go today. We do have our demos coming up. So tomorrow is the print Moda. So it's where you'll be making your own customizable tote bag with your very own pictures. And then Friday, we're having our Notion extravaganza with Claudia. So she's going to be showing off some new Notions and showing you how they work, and all of the Notions will be 20% off. So definitely stop by for those as well. New classes are here. They're ready to have you sign up for them. So definitely look through those, see which ones maybe you want to take this quarter. So yeah, thank you so much. We will be on Whatnot later today doing our Christmassy stuff. So we'll have lots of fun Christmas fabric and some other fun things on there too, maybe even some other special things. So definitely come by for that. And thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next Wednesday for another What's Buzzing at the Bee.